Okay, so in the last video we saw that one currency was not working. That was like custom currency. So when we were doing parallel ledger settings or like currency conversion settings, that time we have faced this issue that the custom currency code was not getting updated, and that was grayed out, right? So let us see that FINSC underscore ledger. So I'll show you once again that screen. Go to currency conversion setting for company code. Okay, here find out the company code V001. Alright, so here if you see, we were having one currency called 9Z. If you see the last video, the previous video, so we were using a currency code called 9Z, and this field was grayed out. So if you see in the global currencies, the currency types, this was the currency code 9Z. Okay, and that was not getting updated over there. Then I have created this new one, and this got updated there automatically. I mean, the field was like modifiable, so I could update the currency there, currency code. So what was the logic? Now let us try to understand. I will create one more currency code, two currency code basically, one by one, and then we will try to understand what could be the reason. Z1 V001, and I will save this. Now let me go back and do the currency conversion settings. So double click here, currency conversion setting for company code. I will try to create a new entry and update this new currency code or the new currency type, which is Z1, right? Z1, and I will give some currency code here from the drop down, and here I can see, let us take any currency, and exchange rate type M, source would be company code currency, and then date is posting date. So we can see, right, this is also getting updated here. Let me save this. Then what was the wrong in that currency type? That we will try to figure it out. So now we can see we have these many currency types here. Now let me go back and create one more currency type here. Go one step back. So I will create one more currency type. Okay, so this time I would say currency 1Z V001 V001 1Z. This is the currency code I have defined here. I mean currency type I have defined here, because SAP says up to 8 free currency you can define, custom currency codes we can define, right? So now let us go and assign the currency conversion settings. Okay, so this is the same screen. Now let me create on the new entries, company code V001, and let us choose the currency code which we have created, this one. Translation date would be posting date. Press enter. Now what do you see here? The currency code has disappeared. Currency code is now not updated. Okay, let us see once again. Select company code V001, and here you can see, right, here currency code is not updated. For this currency type it is not updated, but for this it is updated. So now you can make out what is the difference between these currency types, right? what is the problem in this currency type and what is the problem in this currency type. It's quite interesting, right? Okay, if you are able to figure it out, that's good. If not, let me give you one more hint here. So again I go back, okay, go back, double click on currency type. Right, this is the place where we define the currency codes or the currency types. Now let me try to create one more currency type. Remember here, these three currency types we already defined. One is not working, 9Z, other two are working. So let me create one more. Press enter. Now what do you notice here? Okay, so as soon as I press enter, and we can see a message here, select a currency from the allowed namespace. Even though this is a warning message, and this will not stop you to go ahead and press enter and then save this transaction, but this is the problem basically. So let me save this, and I will again go to currency conversion setting, and this also we will try to maintain here. So I will select currency code is 8A. Now let us press enter and see if this currency gets saved or not. So I press enter and that has disappeared, right? So now definitely you know the reason, right? Why some currency types are working and why some currency types are not working. I hope you understood the logic behind this and you are able to figure it out, the reason behind this. Okay, but still not, so let me tell you now. Okay, see this currency type. This starts with what? This starts with 1, which is numeric key, right? Numeric value. And for this, currency code is not updated. And for this also, if you see, this also starts with numeric value, which is 8. The first digit is like numeric, and that's why here also currency code is not updated. But the ones where the currency code is updated, what do you see difference? The currency type starts with Z. Okay, so this is the answer basically. If you define any currency, custom currency types, that should start with Z only, then only this will work. So if you start with the numbers, these currency types, that will not work. And that's why we got a like warning message when we were creating the currency type, but we were able to save it since this was a warning message. But at this place we got stuck, right? Here the currency code field is grayed out. Now let me show you the company code settings at ledger level for this, particularly for this currency type. So okay, first let us see for 0L company code and select our company code, which is V001. You can see, right, currency, this is not updated manually, by the way, this I have updated, but we want to see the currency code. So let us go to detail screen. Against Z9 we want to see a currency code. So can you see it, right? This is JPY is updated here. In the last video we saw that this currency code was blank here. Currency type was updated but currency code was blank. Now similarly, if you want to see for your non-leading ledger, let us check for that also. So our non-leading ledger is Z1. Okay, double click on company code settings, and here we have, since we have only one company code as of now assigned, so directly we reach to this detailed screen, and here you can see for Z9 currency code is updated. That's all. So we now know what is the reason why the currency code was not getting selected, and now we know what is the right way to define a custom currency type. So that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye.